This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious Desi burger at home. First, let's prepare our flavorful patties. You'll need about 1 pound of ground chicken or beef. Mix in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and a pinch of salt. Gently form 4 to 6 patties, each about 1/2 inch thick. These will be the heart of our amazing Desi burger. Now, let's cook these patties to perfection. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Cook each patty for about 4 minutes per side until beautifully browned and cooked through. While the patties are cooking, lightly toast your burger buns on a griddle for about 30 seconds. This adds a lovely texture and warmth to your burger. It's time to assemble our incredible Desi burger. Start by spreading 1 tablespoon of vibrant mint chutney on the bottom half of your toasted bun. Next, place a hot, juicy patty, followed by 1 slice of cheese and 2 fresh tomato slices. For that authentic Desi flavor, add 1 tablespoon of tangy tamarind chutney and a few crisp onion rings. To complete your masterpiece, sprinkle a dash of chaat masala over the toppings for an extra burst of flavor. Place the top bun on your burger, and if it's a tall one, you can secure it with a toothpick. Your homemade Desi burger is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately with your favorite side, perhaps some crispy fries or a refreshing salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.